Hello guys, welcome to the Script Academy. Today I will tell you about complete information of Google Forms. So if you want to create a survey, if you want to fill questionnaire or any kind of forms, then you can use Google Forms. So let's start. Just go to the Google Chrome and type Google Forms, and here open the first link. The windows appears. So here is two options: personal use and business use. If you want to collect information or organize information with limited resources, then use it. This is free. And if you want to collect information for business purposes that added security or more team and more control for team, then you can use it. So first of all, I will use it personally, then go to the personal and click on go to Google Forms. The other windows appear, and here there is built-in themes. Just click on the template gallery, and here just like contact information, RSVP, party invite, and other lot of things like find a time, contact information, t-shirt sign up, event registration. There are a lot of built-in forms there. You can see a lot of forms, blank quiz or something like that. So if I will click on contact information, the form is creating here, and here the form appears like name, email address, phone number and comments. This is predefined forms. You can use it, but if you want to create a blank theme, then what you have to do, just click on the blank icon, and here the form is appear. You can edit it or add what you want. Like if I want to create a questionnaire of clothing brand, then write the name, clothing brand, questionnaire. And if you want to write some description, then you can add it here. Okay, so now add first question. Like click on the entitled questions and write your first question, like what is your gender? And option 1, I will write male, and another option for this, female. Okay, so that's it. What type of question is this? Multiple choice, paragraph, short answer, checkbox. So what do you want? I will take here a multiple choice. If you want to add another question, then click on add question. Write what age are you? Click on the option 1 and write the age 15 by 20. For other, 21 by 25. (25 to 30). And for other, it's up to you. And if you want to require it, like user must have to fill this, then just switch this to the on. So in this way you can add a lot of questionnaire. Let's add another question, like what is your favorite color to wear? Okay, and here I will select short answer, and that's it. I will record it. In this way you can add as much as questions as you want. Here the customized theme, click on the themes and you can add these themes. Okay, and if you want to preview this questionnaire, then click on this preview icon. The form will look like this. Okay, now go to the send, and here if you want to send through email, then write the email here. What do you want? And if you want to create the link, then this is the link. This link could be the long. You have to click on the shorten URL, and this is the shorten URL of this form. You can send it to anywhere on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other social media apps. And this option is for developer. If you want to embed it in any website, then use this form. So here I will just click on this icon and copy this link. Close this and open it in another tab. Here you can see your form is appear. Just click on what's your gender, age, answer is right, submit. To submit another response, or I will paste this in a tab and again submit a response like blue and submit it. That's it. Now if you want to check the response, then just write Google Forms and hit enter. Open Google Forms, and here go to the Google Forms, and here your form is like this, recent forms. Click on this. This is your form, and for responses click on this, like 2 responses. What's your gender? The questions have some graphical interface, and that's it. You can create spreadsheet also by clicking this icon. Create. So you can see the Excel sheet is appear. You can download the response also, or print all responses, or delete all responses from this icon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification for more videos.